Welcome back to Yacht Addiction. The yacht in front of me is a brand new Sunseeker Predator 55 EVO. This yacht is listed for sale by Bosun's Marine, and we're going to tour this yacht inside and out. Starting in the back at the hydraulic swim platform, there's actually a tender garage, and inside there's a winch, so when this is open, you will slowly release your tender right into the water, and then when you're done, the winch will bring it right back up. If we move forward, we'll step up into the cockpit, where one fun feature is you have a large sun pad right here in the cockpit. So currently it's set up as bench seating, but if you take this and pull it back, it transforms into a much larger sun pad. You have a large square table which can be folded over. And over on the port side of the cockpit, you do have a barbecue station. So you have a grill and a small sink, as well as an ice maker and refrigerator. There's also a sunshade overhead. Now you can see you can fully open the inside and outside areas. This window will retract electronically. So let's step inside the main salon. You have a very clean and modern looking U-shaped seating area right here. And that faces the TV that raises up on the starboard side. Opposite of the helm, you have another small seating area right here. You have a large glass cockpit where you have two large multifunction displays from Simrad. Here are the controls for your autopilot, as well as controls for the bow and stern thruster, your throttle control, and then a joystick. Here's your VHF radio. And then you also have some controls right on the steering wheel. There are two beautiful captain's chairs up at the helm, and overhead, you have an extremely large skylight. This will retract, really opening up this space and bringing in tons of natural light. Now we'll move down to the galley and dinette area. We have another large TV mounted on the wall and a smaller L-shaped seating area, as well as a small table. Like I said, this boat is brand new, so there's literally the plastic still on the carpet. And here is the galley. You have a Miele 4-burner cooktop, as well as a small convection oven. There's drawer space below that. And you have a refrigerator right here, as well as one right here. Of course, you have your sink, and then you have some built-in cabinet spaces overhead. So this yacht is a 2-cabin layout, and we'll start with the full beam master cabin. You have a large bed in here, and when you step down, you do have full headroom. There's a large closet over here. You have another TV mounted up on the wall. And of course, the master has an ensuite. You can see your toilet, sink, and a rainfall shower. The second cabin is forward, And currently it's in a double bed configuration, but this can be split into 2 single beds. Here's another large closet. You have a hatch overhead, as well as another TV on the wall. This has an ensuite, but it also shares duties as the dayhead. You can see your sink, separate shower stall. It's another rainfall shower. And then the toilet is behind the door. One thing I love is overhead with the windshield. This forms an atrium area, so you have tons of natural light in here. I am at the Newport International Boat Show, and this is one busy boat. So the tour is going to be rather abbreviated. But really quick, let's head up to the bow. You have a couple cup holders. And then a large U-shaped seating area. This area can be used as sun loungers or just a great place to hang out and enjoy a drink. Here is the locker for your anchor chain, and you can also fit some fenders in here. And one last area to check out is the engine room. Right away, you'll see your Cummins Onan marine generator. And then this cutout is from the tender garage. But you still have a decent amount of space in this engine space. This yacht comes with a pair of Volvo Penta D11 725s. The top speed is around 33 knots, cruising at 27 knots with about 235 miles of range. I really love all of the bright areas and all the bright colors on the interior. Sunseeker did a really good job on this one. So I think we'll finish the tour right here in the galley. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed these yacht tours, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future upload. Thank you to Bosun's Marine for letting me do the tour. It's very rare for a new boat like this to be immediately available for sale. So if you want it, click the link down below and don't miss out. Until next time.